12 days of Christmas cookies and we're already on day number 4, which brings us to these cute little gingerbread men and gingerbread dogs. These gingerbread cookies are nice and soft, definitely not crunchy, super easy to make. Strap on that apron, we're making cookies today. To a bowl we need half a cup of softened butter and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna give this a quick mix. As always, an ingredients list will pop up on the screen towards the end of this video, or you can find the ingredients with the directions in the video's description box. Next goes in 2 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of molasses. Give that a quick spin in the bowl. Everything looks nice and well mixed. For our dry ingredients, we need 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of each of the following: allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Lastly, we need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Give everything a good mix. This is a very thick dough, so don't be discouraged if it looks like it's not coming together like regular cookie dough. Grab a spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl if needed. And don't do what I'm about to do. Like most cookie cutter doughs, if they need to chill in the fridge, which this one does, for 1 hour, it's best to place your dough on some plastic wrap. Don't cover the dough in a bowl like I'm doing, because what's gonna happen? You're absolutely right, the darn thing's gonna fuse to the bottom of the bowl. I don't know what I was thinking. When I read this dough needs to chill in the fridge, I think my brain just did a quick factory reset. I just went on autopilot. Once you have successfully rescued your dough ball, lightly flour your work surface and roll it out to about 1/4 inch. Here's my gingerbread man, quite dashing. Unfortunately, almost 13 years ago, our previous GSD chewed on the corner of my gingerbread girl. I was able to rescue the cookie cutter, but not soon enough. So instead of a gingerbread girl, I'm gonna make some gingerbread dogs in honor of my husband's naughty puppy. These cookie cutters came in a huge pack of over 100 assorted seasonal cutters. I'll put a link in the description box if you're interested. I still haven't found the perfect thin cookie spatula, which means I'm still resorting to using this knife. Whatever works, am I right? Place your cookie on a parchment-lined baking sheet into the oven at 350 degrees for around 10 minutes. How cute are these? Fresh from the oven, and my house smells amazing. Let your cookies cool completely on a cooling rack before decorating. To make the icing, we need 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. I started off with 1 tablespoon. We also need 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. This gives the icing a shiny look even after it dries. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix. I did end up using that 2nd tablespoon of water. To be completely honest, this was a very thick icing. I probably should have added at least 2 additional teaspoons of water just to make the piping easier on my hands. I'm using a number 3 piping tip. Almost went with a number 2, but I'm glad I stuck with the number 3. Give your cookies some eyeballs. Perhaps even a smile. Toss in a few buttons. For those buttons, I just stuck on some flat round circle sprinkles. You can either leave him like this or give him his classic squiggles. I wasn't sure what to do for the dogs, so I gave them little winter scarves. I think they're cute. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below what specific Christmas cookie you've made or you're planning on making. Here's that ingredients list. Thanks for watching day number 4 of our back-to-back 12 Days of Christmas Cookies marathon. Check back in tomorrow, I'll give you a hint. There's chocolate involved and lots of powdered sugar. If you think you know what they are, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all tomorrow.